Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Leora if you're new here. So today we are going to be unboxing Jaanuu scrubs. Now you're probably like, girl, didn't you just order a ton of fig scrubs? Yes. So I ordered these scrubs the last day of the year. They had an awesome sale, so that's why I have these scrubs here. And they shipped out January 2nd and they arrived to me here in Boston January 6th. So it's about a week turnaround time. Not too bad, I would say. So first impressions for shipping, really great. Now let's get to the fun part, opening. Okay, you know that I love you guys because I got these yesterday and I could not open them because I needed to do it on camera for you guys. So we both shared this experience together. So I ordered 7 items. Let's see. Okay, and here is just shipping information. Looks like everything I ordered is here. And I referenced the sizing chart that Jaanuu has on their website for every item. I'm usually a size 2. I'm about 5'9", so I like to order things in tall because usually pants don't fit me lengthwise, so I love having a tall option, and extra small because I'm usually a size 2. That usually does the trick, like just in general. I had no problem when I ordered figs and using their sizing chart. I hope the same goes for Jaanuu scrubs. Okay, we're back. Sorry, I ran out of memory, so you didn't see me take this out of the plastic, but my first impressions of Jaanuu scrubs. The material is very different from figs. Not in a good or bad way. I'm not really sure yet. I'll have to try it on and see how I like it. But it feels thinner, and the material, it just feels like, I don't know. If you're curious, it's made out of 52% polyester, 45% rayon, and 3% spandex. So I'll see how this feels. It doesn't feel super stretchy, but that's not a bad thing. Okay, so this first top is the mock wrap neck top. And I'll try this on so you can see how it looks. Okay, now that I have the top on, it feels really great. It's very soft, and there's a zipper here on the side to help get the top on because it is fitted, so it's a little bit harder to get on. And it's not super stretchy, but it feels good. Like if you get the right size, it definitely fits you well. As for the back, this is what it looks like on the back. So yeah, I really like this top. I think it looks very flattering. Okay, next up we have Stat Skinny Cargo Pant. Ooh, these feel nice. Kind of slinky material, like I have pants from Express. They kind of feel similar to that. Definitely don't feel like scrub pants, but like professional pants, but a lighter version. Very fun. Okay, I'm excited to try these on, and I will make sure to steam everything before I try it on. That way you can see how it would look if it was all washed and whatnot. So these are, oh, I'm excited about these. Okay, so as for the bottoms, I think they're very comfortable. Again, the material is very soft, and the only thing I'm like a little confused about is there's zippers at the bottom, and I feel like they kind of give the ankle this weird look. But overall, they have back pockets and front pockets, and they look a little dressy. So if you want to dress up your scrubs a bit, I think this is a perfect pant for you. So another thing I noticed is that the front part of the pant gives you kind of an unflattering stomach area. So if you're someone who tends to tuck in your scrub top into your pants, this is something to consider. I don't tuck in my top, so I don't really care that much, but just a good point. Next, I ordered a cinched V-neck top. So very cute. Now, as I'm sure you probably noticed, I ordered everything in black because that is my class color at Tufts. Everyone in my year has to wear black scrubs. That's how they know what year we are. So everything is in black, and usually our dress code for scrubs is that it has to be a V-neck, and this top is like really cute. I like it, and 2 front pockets and a little chest pocket, and the cinched part is on the back. So very cute. Can't wait to try this on. I like the material. I'm very interested to see how it feels on. This top is really comfortable. I like this cinched look, and the pockets are nice and big. You have an extra pocket right here. Here's what the back looks like. Yeah. Okay, so these are the skinny pull-on pants. And they have cute back pockets here and front pockets, and these look really nice. They almost look like a professional pant, not necessarily scrubs, but I'm digging it. I like the elastic band. These are so cute, and they feel really lightweight. I'm interested to see how they feel on. Okay, now the pants are definitely thin. So if you're someone who runs cold like me, I would say these are probably not the best pant for you, but if you're someone who runs on the warmer side, these will definitely cool you off for sure. They have the thin enough material to kind of let you breathe as well as wick away sweat if you're sweating on the job. Okay, this next top is a stride ribbed V-neck top. Ooh, this also kind of feels like a wicking material top. Yeah, 92% polyester, yep. So it's worth noting that the scrubs are not all made with the same percentages of polyester or rayon or whatever else. They have different formulas for each top or bottom. So just worth noting. Okay, I like this. This is cute. I can see this going really nice with the cargo pant because it's similar material and they just look like the same style. As I imagined, this top looks really good with these pants. They're the same type of material, so they go really well together, and they both fit similar. The pants are more on the tighter side, and the top is also a little bit more form-fitting up here in the shoulders. So the top is also a little bit stretchy, so you need some give, you will definitely get in this top. These bottoms are the MOTO pant. Ooh, I think I like the thicker material better. The wicking type, I say wicking material, that's probably not what it's called, but it's like water resistant feeling. That is really nice and lightweight, but I'm always cold, so I like my materials to be a little bit thicker. So this feels thicker and very happy about that. The MOTO pant looks very cute. Has a nice design right here on the pocket and a cute zipper on the bottom. Now, as for these bottoms, yeah, these are probably my least favorite pant ever. These are not flattering. They just have a weird design, and the gold zipper on the bottom isn't the most flattering thing to put on a pant. Everything about this is saying no to me. It's just not working for me. Okay, the final item that I ordered is a relaxed V-neck top. Okay. Cute. This one definitely doesn't look as form-fitting as the other ones, hence the name Relaxed Fit. And it's a bit of a thicker material. So, okay. The top fits me nice. It's like the first top, except for it's not as form-fitting. It's more relaxed, hence in the name. So, quick turnaround. Okay, I hope you liked the video. If you like these unboxing and try-on hauls, please give the video a like and tell me in the comments. If you're new here, please subscribe down below. And that's all I have for today. So, I'll see you later. Bye.